The ICFA University Meghalaya Admission Open 2024. The university offers program courses in the schools of management, humanities, social sciences, and science and technologies for both undergraduate and postgraduate programs, UG and PG programs. Full-time campus programs offered under the undergraduate programs are BBA, BCA, BCom, BTTM, BA, Economics, Political Science, English and Education. For PG programs are MBA, MCom, MTTM, MCA, MA, Political Science, English and Education, MA Khasi, MSW and MA Music. For further information and details, visit or contact the ICFA University Meghalaya Shillong Campus, Powerville near Shillong Law College, Dhangati, Meghalaya. Phone number 0364 222 0057 94851 58603 700 505 7728 8794 250646.
On the morning of 10th July 2024, the Khasi Students' Union, Lajumkhra and Malki circles had conducted a check on migrant labourers in the localities. The inspection revealed that some labourers from outside the state of Meghalaya, including Assam, Bengal and Bihar, lacked valid documents such as national identity cards or work permits. These illegal migrants were sent back to their respective homes. The KSU's actions aim to send a strong message to both the central and state governments, emphasizing the urgent need for the implementation of the Inner Line Permit and the Meghalaya Residents Safety and Security Act 2016 to protect the indigenous people of the state.
Ka KSU Malki Circle metasngi kala pelong yang jikra work permit jangki barjala bawa tray haposh na Malki hani ka jikra lalap ya ripu arngut kibri kibamdan ya ka work permit na pedeng kini alap kumba khalangut kibri kibamdan patang ka epic ru kaseng gale kini jikra metasngi komisi banta menyai dawa nak sarkar pedeng man pentrikam na ya ka Inner Line Permit makan juru menyai dawa nak sarkar jela makan pentri na ya ka MRSSE ajar kan rio nimbakan ni kerwa kaseng kamaham ya baru ki kontraktor ki bawan pentri kam hani hasna malki bakim day banwanyalam ya ki brio ki bana barjala klem kanu ka kot kesla bat kamtam klaim ka work permit
mentang singa 10 Julai azab saw ngaleng jang KSU lain khra unit kalawan ban inspect ini ki construction site aga jing lai chungi ngilap bun ba niki construction site idana isbun ba ki labor ki ba deki migrant bawan niki wek ki jaka te hadin bagi lai adep ban ya bai ki kot ki badangkam atkum ka jing kam ban petrekam ni ki work permit ilalap ba sibon ni ki migrant kim dadon syai ki kot kisla kat kum ko bedai pakin yo ban rung chane pakin yo ban belas ni aga jinglap jingi ru bon bagi dan ki child labor adu kum basal san teli ki sau san ngut ni ki migrant workers ngilap na identify ki dai ki minus de ngamtip pakaan kale ayu holar kini bad kini kala isu yo ban wan kertep ban rung haganuk penta kat kum jinglap jingi bon ni ki nang trade kum dan wat tangi ki epic ki adhar dan ni kita ki dokumen ban persisha we ki de ki nang India te nakaleng chongi ngisam ba kane ka kam ngimlam pedang te bat nginum song thaj hiru panang ni smart nginang yit nginang tristom bat ngin le ka ek badan kam thanang ba kini ki ba wan ban bela sngi kindu jaj khamtam baginum aila ki namar ba kamdai hiru karukom namar bagi ngisngo ba katum ki jingdan chongi ki bun hi thrai ki jongi ru kila ban ban trai ki kam